I need to be careful of these windows because factory fitted Kombi van windows are awful. Right, the van is stinking dirty. It doesn't look too bad because it's like a gunmetal grey, which is always handy, but we're going to have a go with the snow foam stuff. Now, I don't know anything about snow foam. I don't know which one's really good, so let us know in the comments below which is the best one to buy, because I haven't got a clue. I just got given this stuff, so we're going to try that and see what happens with minimal effort, because I can't stand washing cars and vans. So let's see how it goes. Let's put it over here so you can see what's going on. So I think turn this, there we go. I need to be careful of these windows because factory fitted Kombi van windows are awful and notoriously leaky. Goes down the side there, so I don't want to get too close to it. I don't know if this does, alright, that puts more water, so we just want that. Put it on the roof, even though I can't see the roof. I've seen some online where it's like really thick, so it kind of sticks to the vehicle rather than running off like this one does. So I don't know. Again, let me know in the comments which snow foam you use. Going all over the place. Let me know which one you use. This one's like Demon Foam Car Planch. I think it's cheapy budget one you can get from Halfords or something like that. So I don't know if it's any good. I've already sprayed these wheels with that wheel cleaner. Let's just give it a little bit extra. So that. So I'm going to spray this on and I'm going to go over the whole thing with a big brush. Soft brush. Because I know I have had a go with this before on a car. Kinking the thing. And it doesn't just get all the really dirty bits off. You've got to, I can't imagine there's one that you can buy that actually all you do is spray it on a really dirty vehicle and it comes up sparkling clean, it just runs off. Maybe there is, I don't know. Let me know. But it'd be amazing if there is, and I'll buy it if there is. Because cleaning vehicles is not my most favourite thing to do. So the easier you can make it, the better. Right. Let's take it around the other side. Yeah, see, it just doesn't stick on there, it just runs off. Oh, is it supposed to do that? No idea. I thought it was meant to like stick on. I don't know if there's anything that can really stick on, but I don't know how long this stuff lasts for in the tub. Looks good though, it's fun. More fun than rubbing it with a sponge. Right. Let's turn this off. I don't know how we stop it spraying the foam. I think it's there. Right there. Don't know. Still spraying foam. Let's take that out. Turn the water off. Right, just give it a little once over with this. Minimal effort, that's what we want. And then we'll just get the hose back out. could be a valeter. Could you? No. Not my idea of fun. This is nice and quick, so I do like this. You can attach a hose. In fact, what I'll probably do, no, I won't bother. You can attach a hose to this, but these things, it just all, it never connects properly, and you just get soaking wet. So I probably won't bother that. I just want to do this as quick as possible. Side done. Connect it back. Probably should leave that up actually. Get this side done. Nice thing about this Indium Gray is that you can kind of get away without chamois in it afterwards. It doesn't really show up many water spots, and it looks amazing when it's clean. You know, black vans look cool, but pain in the bum to keep clean. I've got a black car there, and it's, you know, especially in the winter when you've got salt on the roads. It's just you clean it out for one day with salt on the road, and it's covered in white gunk again. These Indium Gray vans do hide a lot of the dirt. It took us a long time to find this one with everything we wanted. Twin sliders, Highline, low miles, service history. This is probably really exciting for you to watch, isn't it? Stay tuned for the big wash-off reveal. Riveting. There we go. That'll do. Minimal effort. Okay. Let's clip this back on. And then I turn that on. Start with the roof. Looking good so far. Probably end up with a load of water inside because of these crappy windows. Probably, yeah, that might not have been a good idea. Volkswagen Kombi ASMR. That's best. Wheels have come up nice. There we go. All done. Let's have a look. It's annoying. It's all running from the roof. Let's have another go. See if we can get the pedestrians wet as we go past. All done. All done. Now, we'll just let that run off and dry now. But not looking bad. Happy with that. So there you go. That's me washing the van with some snow foam. Let me know what snow foam I should be buying to make that even easier. But that's not too bad for that cheapy stuff. Subscribe, like it, whatever you like. See you in the next one.